Are you and your family tired of settling for an average bathroom? Maybe your style is outdated, or your shower and tub are old. It could even be that the floors are too slippery, the space is just too small, or the overall aesthetic of your bathroom is just dated in general. We think you deserve better. At Quality Craftsmen, our bathroom remodeling process is by far and away the most thorough and professional service in the industry. Here's what we do. First, we'll start with the demo process, removing your existing walls along with your old flooring, shower, and tub. Next, we take precise measurements, install your new plumbing, and professionally install new drywall and tile. Finally, we move along to our client's favorite part of the renovation by installing custom flooring, lighting, and fixtures. Here are some amazing before and after examples of what a complete shower and/or bathroom remodel looks like. Our team at Quality Craftsmen is 100% focused on delivering the spa-like environment you deserve. Our experienced team walks each customer through our consultative design process. This means we tailor your bathroom renovation experience around the use of high-quality materials, safe and accessible design elements like grab bars, no-slip surfaces, and benches, along with easy-to-clean surfaces to help maintain your new space. Of course, it's super important to us that your new bathroom has a stylish visual appeal. Best of all, each of our commitments are supported by our double lifetime warranty.